everyone, welcome to today's Everything Digital Show, the show where we take you on a deeper dive into your online journey right here in Nigeria. Now today I'm going to be exploring my top 6. Yes, I'm doing a top 6. It's kind of different. It's just one I did, okay? All right, so I'm doing a top 6 food Insta-Bloggers, or should I call that Insta Food Bloggers? Yeah, let's just do that, Insta Food Bloggers, okay? So these are brands that are on Instagram and they blog or vlog about food, all right? So let's go. Coming in at number 6, at Pams Food Tour. Now, at Pams Food Tour is run by a young lady called Pam. And according to her profile message, she just wants to explore and eat all the foods that she can before she dies. And trust me, that's exactly what she does. So she travels across Nigeria. I think she's based in Abuja, and then she travels across Lagos, everywhere else, and just documents the types of foods that she eats. And one thing that we love about her page is, of course, that it's very clean. You know, it looks like what a food blog should look like. The pictures are crisp, the foods look delicious. I can just feel myself gaining weight just looking at it. Anyway, if you want to follow her, that's at Pam's Food Tour. Coming up next is my number 5. Number 5, at enjoy.ng. First of all, can we just talk quickly about how like Nigerians are all going on Instagram and putting dot in their Instagram names? Like, what's up with that, right? Like, it's a new trend. Anyways, if you guys like the trend, let me know, because I think it's kind of like, no. But I didn't say that. Let's focus on enjoy.ng, at enjoy.ng. So, what do we love about these guys? These guys call themselves the Ministry of Enjoyment, and they truly enjoy. So it's formed a group of people, and what they do is that they go around to different restaurants and they kind of taste and eat all the different foods that are on offer, and sometimes they invite some of their followers to even join them. So, you know, hey guys, I'm following you at Faith History, invite me, I'm going to join you next time, and you know, I can go and join the Ministry of Enjoyment with you guys. What do I love about this food blog on Instagram? I like their layout. Their layout is very clean. The photos are beautiful, but their layout, I've got an eye for design, and I really love good design. And one of the things you can see on their page is great design. Right in the middle of their grid, circles, 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 circles. They change the design up every time, but the circles continue. That is a nice design aesthetic. I might steal it. Anyway, coming up next is number 4. Now, number 4, at Foodie in Lagos. Now, these guys also have a website, foodieinlagos.com, and they basically review websites and restaurants and anything food around Lagos. And, you know, I kind of like their feed as well. Very clean, very beautiful. Like, I was teaching these guys things. Like, you know, we're really going hard with our food blogs in Nigeria on Instagram. So, Instagram, you know, it's all about pictures, and your pictures have to be snapped worthy and beautiful, and these food blogs are really taking it there. So I love what Foodie in Lagos is doing. They're reviewing restaurants. So if you're someone who loves to eat out and you're not necessarily into, like, you know, just eating out just because you see fine pictures, these guys are actually doing a review, so go check them out. All right, coming up next, we've got number 3. Number 3, Dining Made Easy, DME_NG. I think that's a better way to kind of, you know, show that you're a Nigerian on your blog. It's the _ the NG, or just go flow with the NG. But the .the_NG, that's cheating. That's supposed to be a website. Anyways, okay, focus, Faith. So, Dining Made Easy, what makes them different from our previous, you know, post, which was our number 4, which was Foodie in Lagos. The difference with these guys is they don't just go out, they kind of like more of a community. They pull in different personalities and foodie pages, and then they feature them. So they do a lot of reposts. That's pretty much the difference. Coming up next, one of my favorites, number 2. My number 2. Eat Drink Lagos. Okay, these guys are amazing. If you go look for them on Instagram, just look for eat.drink.lagos. It's founded by 2 guys, Foley and Nusa. They've actually been on our show before. And one of the things that we love about their blog is not only that they have a website as well as their Instagram, but also that they have a food festival that happens in Lagos. I have been and it is amazing. So these guys they went out to lunch one day or brunch or something at the Foundry, and they decided that, wait, we need to be reviewing and critiquing other people's food. So they're basically food critics, yeah, and they're very hard on people, yeah. Sometimes I feel sorry for restaurant owners. I'm like, ouch. But for us, the consumer, at least we know that we can trust them. They don't hold back, they don't mince words. You know what you're getting, all right? You go to Eat, Drink Lagos and they tell you that a restaurant is good, you go eat. And then they also actually, they have a community of foodies who they bring together, and you pay a lot of money. It's a lot of money, okay guys. I mean, I've seen the amount and I'm like, okay. So they'll bring all these people together and then they'll take them all together to a restaurant. It's about 12 or 25 people, I think not that many. And then they'll just all eat together and, have fun and be bougie. It's so bougie. Anyways, coming up next is our number one. So guys, the brand you've all been waiting for, you all need to follow them. They are on Instagram, they are number one. Let's just say, Kiki, do you love me? Yep, it's called Kiki Hoodies, okay? These guys, just go to their page. First of all, they just launched in 2018, but guess what? They already have over 100,000 followers. Hello. Okay, they don't. They almost have 100,000 followers. Yeah, it scared you there. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is, if you want to eat and you want to see how food is being made, like Nigerian food, and presented in such an amazing, beautiful way, like they elevate Nigerian food. Do you understand? You'll be seeing amala and you'll be like, is this amala or is this like something else? Anyways, very nice, very nicely done. Go and follow at Kiki Hoodies, and you will see that the layouts, the videos, like everything is just so professional. It's so beautiful. I almost feel like I'm in the abroad. And that's my list for today. Tell me guys what you think. I want to hear from you. We're everywhere on social media, from Twitter to Instagram, YouTube. And all you have to look for is ED Show Africa. So that's at ED Show Africa. If you want to follow me personally, I'm at Faith History. And until next time, when I bring you more cool digital lists, people that you should know that are online, come online, baby. It's bye for now from me, your girl, Faith History. Toodles.